What a B series. What a B series.
The train on platform 1 goes to Hornsby via Central. First stop Milsons Point, then Wynyard, Town Hall, Central, Redfern, Burwood, Strathfield, then all stations to Epping, and then all stations to Hornsby.
On B1. B1.
The next train to arrive. The train on platform 2 goes to Homebush via Central. First stop Milsons Point, then Wynyard, Town Hall, Central, Redfern, then all stations to Burwood, then Strathfield and Homebush.
Including Oxford and half-price travel fares when you travel on Fridays. Or airport.
All stations to
A series.
Strathfield and Homebush.
A73.
The train on platform 1 goes to Penrith via Central. First stop Milsons Point, then Wynyard, Town Hall, Central, Redfern, Burwood, Strathfield, Flemington, Lidcombe, Auburn, Clyde, Granville, Harris Park, Parramatta, Westmead, Seven Hills, Blacktown, and then all stations to Penrith. The train on platform 2 goes to Homebush via Central. First stop Milsons Point, then Wynyard, Town Hall, Central, Redfern, then all stations to Strathfield and Homebush. The train on platform 1 goes to Penrith via Central. First stop Milsons Point, then Wynyard, Town Hall, Central, Redfern, Burwood, Strathfield, Flemington, Lidcombe.
Just in time. A50.
The train on platform 4 goes to Hornsby via Gordon. First stop Waverton, then Wollstonecraft, St Leonard's, Artarmon, Chatswood, and then all stations to Hornsby.
Yes.
Stations to Burwood, then Strathfield and Homebush.
A61.
The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to... The train on platform 1 goes to Hornsby via Central. First stop Milsons Point, then Wynyard, Town Hall, Central, Redfern, Burwood, Strathfield, then all stations to Epping, and then all stations to Hornsby. The next train to arrive on platform 2 ends here. Please do not get on this train. goes to Emu Bays via Central. First stop, Milsons Point, then Wynyard, Town Hall, Central, Redfern, Burwood, Strathfield, Flemington, Lidcombe, Auburn, Clyde, Granville,